Hello, traders. This is Ad Zeros, and I'm gonna tell you today one important tip about this platform, which is our COMEX Pro or TEF Evolution. And stay tuned, this is going to be an important tip for your day trading. All right, let's get to it. So now you know that the volume is a very important feature of any day trading thing. So for price, in order to read the price action, you need candlesticks and you need volume bars. But how would you assess that whether the volume bar is increasing or the volume has been decreasing? The one way of doing it to see that the volume bar size as well. But then you need to calculate while you're doing a price action, especially in the morning session. So what you can do, you can go to settings of the chart setting, go to volume bar, and there is a very important feature here on the bottom of this window which is called show moving averages. And I put this line here. You can put any other line you want, just like for your example. Now I'm going to change the line. We'll say pink line, and I'm going to say this line. You can choose any sort of a line, and then is a moving average. I usually prefer a 9 bar average. So every 9 minute after the 9 minute, it's going to update and it will going to show you the whether the volume has been increased or decreased. You can reduce depending what time frame you basically trade. But 9 moving average is an ideal one, and if you do that, it's gonna show you here when you apply here. It will the pink line will appear on your volume bars, and it will show you that whether the volume has been increasing or decreasing. So we are looking at the neo, and if you look at it clearly from the 9 moving averages, the volume was pretty smooth, and in afternoon session, it was dying down. You see, it was dying down. It was dying down, right? It was dying down. And if you look at the 5 minute chart, you will be better able to appreciate that clearly your moving averages are showing you that the volume is keep going down, keep going down. Do you see that? Yes, so keep going down. So this is a very important tool and very important advice I wanted to give it to you. Those who have do not have activated moving bar, moving averages for the volume, please do so now. It's gonna really help you to read the price action. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and the subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you very much.